from the capital, Abuja. Now, still in Abuja, there was commotion earlier today at the Kuje Magistrate Court in Abuja following the dramatic arrest of human rights activist Omoyele Sowore shortly after his court appearance. Eyewitnesses say police officers forcefully bundled Sowore into a van and whisked him away, claiming they had obtained a remand order, one his lawyer insists was never presented. The situation turned chaotic as officers arrested individuals recording the incident, dispersed petty traders, and even attempted to detain Sowore's lawyer within the court premises. Rights activists, including Deji, Adeyanju, and Counsel Maxwell, Opara, have condemned the operation, describing it as a blatant violation of due process and an unwarranted show of force that interrupted the activists' ongoing bail proceedings. Joining us now from the Magistrate Court is our correspondent, Sagir Ibrahim. He joins me live now. Sagir, paint for us a clearer picture of what transpired at the Kuje Magistrate Court today.
As you saw behind me, the judge just walked past. Quite engaged today, I must say. It was a pandemonium, permit me to call it that. As Omoyele Sowore, the Revolution Now convener, was brought to this court, the Kuje Magistrate Court in the Kuje Area Council of Abuja, with the intention of addressing his bail application. But then, when it seemed like, according to eyewitnesses, his bail condition was going to be fulfilled, the police forcefully came, whisked him into the vehicle, and then took him out. Of course, I'm here with Barrister Maxwell Opara. He's going to be giving us more details as to what happened. Barrister, if you could quickly walk into the frame. Now, Barrister, you're looking here. Can you talk to us and tell us what you observed and what you classify the actions of the police?
I think you journalists, you saw it all. I continue to try for this point, and I continue to say, NDA cannot just keep quiet. And this thing is happening because somebody had respect for the judiciary. Now, you saw what happened yesterday. When Sowore went to for his own proceedings and also to a safe prison with his friend Martin and upon coming out from the court, the police carefully got him arrested. I'm talking about former presidential candidate in this contest. Without any indications, they took him and they dumped him at the police cell. This morning, without notifying his lawyer, they brought him to the here. We brought information that together with the other people that was remanded. So we came to the court. Then they were arraigned. He was arraigned to amended charge. They amended the charge. And they were arraigned. They applied for their bail. It was granted them their bail condition. So we are now pursuing their bail condition. So only for them to come without any violence, without anything, dragging Sowore inside their Opara police. For goodness sake, we need to reform Nigerian police. We need to reform them. This is the responsibility of the highest order. Because once you bring a suspect to court, you have subjected yourself to the decision of the court. Now, Nigeria has ordered that they should be granted bail. When they will be when they will stop with their bail condition, they should be remanded to the prison custody. They should be remanded at the prison custody. Now they allow the officials to take because they are here. Now, what is the business between the police and the prison? The law has set the position of the police to investigate and prosecute. Then the correctional sector now has the duty to take the hold of the person. Then what is the essence of disrupting the inside the court premises? The woman that is selling, mineral is destroying her table. The people that the court officials, why the court was sitting. What is the problem? Education. So we are calling that, in fact, we are afraid that the judge should be ordered to police. Thank you so much. Well, Judith, there you go. Pandemonium continues right here at the Magistrate Court. An argument has just ensued right now. But then this is the situation.
The police has whisked Sowore away. His bail procedure is in the process of being completed. His lawyers have mentioned that upon completion of his bail application, they will then communicate what next steps of actions are going to be with regard securing his release and also finding out his location. Back to you, Judith.
Yeah, and now, so here I'm going to come to you very shortly, but very quickly, I must add here that a lot of people have been reacting to it, and one of them who's been reacting to this operation and arrest, describing it as a blatant violation of due process and unwarranted show of force, is Deji Adeyanju, who's a human rights lawyer. Take a look.
So they even damaged that woman's
table that sells food.
That sells food. You can go and see it.
It's very important. They took a lawyer away whom they claim was filming.
What do you make of the charges being leveled?
Frivolous. There is no basis for any of such charges at all. What we are just witnessing is a situation where the Nigerian police force, led by retired a man who has no business being in the police, is insisting on illegality. There is no way that you can criminalize protests. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, what will be the basis, the legal basis, if you say somebody has contravened a valid order of court? What is your business in arresting the person? Why don't you just go and report to that court that he has so that contempt proceedings can be initiated against the person? Why are you? Because what the police is doing is they are resorting to self-help. Because the ego of the police has been breached. You know, the man is not taking part. You see what happened here? It was personal. What happened here was personal.
Sagir, I must say thank you for taking out the time to join us. Sagir Ibrahim is our correspondent live at the Magistrate Court in Abuja following the arrest of Omoyele Sowore, or rather a rearrest of Omoyele Sowore.